This video is made possible by Vagabond Vacations.
Hello guys, today is the first day, well it's actually day 0 of the Vagabond Vacations. We just arrived, I just met Luna.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yes, and she proposed to do a shoot already because she's super motivated. Without any further ado, let's just get into shooting and see what location has to offer for us. Check out the link in the description for an exotic week full of once-in-a-lifetime photo shoots with professional models. Don't forget to mention very slow during the booking process to get priority on your booking so that we can see each other on the next vacation. Let me see if we can use this one in the foreground. I need to be careful for my shadow. Some freestyle poses. Let's try and use the palm tree a little bit in the shot. Get the leaf on you again. For the first shot, can you stay pretty close to the wall? I like that we have you here and again a shape here. It's gonna look very nice. Okay, go for it. Look a little bit into the light for me. Yes, the light is still nice and we get a little bit of reflection also in the window. See? Oh, I like this frame, yes. The light is very beautiful. I like the sneakers with the bikini together. It's really this rough kind of side, but it would be nice if we can put you on the path here to create a little bit more separation between you and the background.
Let's do some natural.
I need one shot with the phone where I take the camera, I make like a picture and then I show the 5 best pictures we make. Oh yeah, I think you will like it. Okay, you can make freestyle poses. Quite nice actually. We get some nice green here. Oh, it's really hot. Can you pose one more time but turn the hips a little bit to the right? Yes. I can tell you a trick. You have 2 types of shadows because now everything is in the shadow, right?
Yeah.
The sun is coming from this side. You see when I look to the side, even everything is in the shadow. This side it's more light than this side. So like this we get a little bit more light on your body than in the background. And the other way it feels like the background is just white. Oh yeah, no, this one's gonna be a killer shot. I think we need to make a very strong pose because we have the rough texture from the trees. Yeah, and now the hair is down. Can we see the hand? Yeah, I think this is gonna be a very powerful one. Maybe one where you lean. Oh, I really like them. They're gonna be cool.
This is cool. This one I love.
Yeah, it's gonna be really dope.
We have
it.
Very strong.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed these shorter kind of POV style photography videos. Like, subscribe, and as always, ciao ciao. Bye bye.